Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel, A Great Adventure. Today, I'm gonna do an unveiling. This is a gift. It was given to us, my wife and I, when we got married. So it's a wedding gift, but we haven't opened it since we got married. About 3 years ago, maybe more. Um, because many reasons, and I always wanted to do homemade pasta, but I never got the chance to actually open it. So this is the first time that I'm gonna open it, and then we're gonna use this in future recipes. Right now I'm just doing the unveiling to see what it is because I have no idea how to use the machine. So we're gonna open it and take a look at it and see how the machine works. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the first thing comes out is the menu. Now this video is not being sponsored by this brand. It's just a gift that was given to us for a wedding. So it's pretty much, I think this is the instructions on how to use it, and yeah, all the instructions how to use it, how to prepare the pasta dough, and all the instructions there. But today we're just gonna take it up, take everything out and see how the machine works. Okay, I brought a knife just in case I need it. So let's see. And this machine is a bit heavy, so let's see how this works. Okay, so this inside box, there is a bunch of little cranks and wedges, clamps, sorry. Okay, that's the menu, that's one of the boxes. We're gonna open that in a moment. And this is the main machine. Just tiny. Oh, it has other accessories as well. So let's see. Put that aside. I really don't know what it is for. I think it's to make strips or something, like tortellinis maybe. I'll figure out how to use that in the menu. Let's see what that is. It doesn't show what it is, but okay, we'll do that later. Put that aside. This is the main cranks, and this is okay. How you open it? There we go. That's how you. Ah, okay. So this is the part that makes the pasta. Depends what you want. So if you want to make some specific type of dough, and then you make, and then you crank it. So this is the crank. Okay, so that goes in one of these ones. Yep, it goes in there. This one is the clamp that goes to the. Oops, that goes into the to secure. Yeah, so this goes. I guess. Oh. I cannot use it on this table. This clamp is too small. I have to find a better way to do it. Okay. So let's see how the instructions. Normally I don't follow instructions, so I figured out my own typical guy. But I think it's cool. There we go. So that goes there. And this is the part that, yeah, this is the part that make thick or thin the dough. And this is the part that you're gonna use to make it. So this one goes here. Oh, I need to be higher. Goes like that. And then you take it out. Then you put it in the two styles that we have here for different type of pastas. Okay, so pastas, linguinis, or whatever you think you're making, this machine will do it. And I think this one, if you want to make tortellini, so you go like this, I think. How this go? Ah, okay, so you take that off. Go like that. Oh, one doesn't work. Funny things. The one at the ends don't work. That's okay. It's like it's bended to one side. So this one goes there, that goes there. Oh, I think they can be moved to make different, yeah, different thickness. Yeah, you lift the little clamp they have in there, and then they fit in the specific sections. And I think these ones just replacements, because you can take them out. Yep, you can take them out. Then if you need to wash it, I think you can take this thing out. Maybe not. I don't want to break it. Yeah. I think. There we go. So it goes there. So the extra wheels, just I guess in case they break. And then you make your, as I just did, I think I broke one already. Yep, I broke one. Okay. This is not a very good design. Yep, I broke it. I can fix it. No problem. So the thing is, you gotta lift the little clamp. If you can. And then, there you go. One at a time. And that's the broken one. Squeeze that up. Okay. There you go. So yeah, they have these little thingies in there that you can move up and down, so they can make it easy to rotate when they get to the right section. And that depends what you want to do. Okay, so I broke one, but we still have extra, so I'll play with this one next time. Okay, I don't know what this is. Let's have to prevent. It was right here. There you go. Okay, so that's all for today, I guess. Can figure out this boy, but this part is okay, and you will see how I use this machine when I start making homemade pasta. So that's one of the things that I would like to try to do, make homemade pasta, and I will be doing different dishes with it, like dishes from El Salvador, dishes from Canada, and so on and forth, Italy, Asia, Japan, whatever. But this machine is going to help me a lot when I do homemade food, because I think it's more healthy for you to do that. No, I'm not going to the healthy trend here. I'm just trying to eat well. Excuse me. So that's all the purpose of this, is just to increase my wellness by just being careful what I eat. And not get into the panic, oh my god, I gotta get rid of this, gotta get rid of that. This is my personal opinion regarding this, so it's a big disclaimer here. I'm doing this for myself, and not to influence someone and to follow my trend. I'm just being cautious and of what I'm eating, and without getting into a frenzy of have to remove this and that out of my diet. Yeah, I think there is not such a need of that unless it's in your health that you're required to do so. Other than that, if you eat moderate and you eat equal amount of food on your daily basis, you can improve your health a lot just by being, mind of what you eat without being in the uh, frenzy of not eating certain things, and then you crave yourself and then you get stressed about it. I don't see the need of that. But anyway, thank you for watching my show. This is one of my short videos so far, because I'm trying to improve my quality on my channel. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and notify. It helped me a lot. I'm new in all this, and doing this just to have how would I say, a new way of life. Okay, thank you very much. See you guys in the next video.